Okay, how you want to take it? Like this straight, no?
Yeah.
Hi.
How many times I get out of the gate, a driver starts the car, we reach down, so almost now, when I feel if I not moving, that something is missing, just like your specs and all that. But the rest attendance.
Here we are lighter. Lighter.
मालूम है बोलो करो नहीं टाइट नहीं थोड़ा लूज ही रखो
इधर से हमारे
अगर तुझं भूक आलेली मिळाला आम्हाला नका
अरे यार इसका नीचे अरे नीचे नीचे
come father Here is the name. Okay.
बापाचे अमृताचे अनुभवित आत्म्यांचे नावे किडेवंतांक बरी करूंक आनी तांचे खोस दूर करूंक दोनूय देवान आपल्या शिसान जेजून आपल्या शिसान आज्ञा दिली तोच जेजू तुमचे सगळे आसूं तुमचे सगळे आसूं काकुतीचो बाप आनी सगळे बुजवणीचो देव आपल्या पुता वरवीं पवित्र आत्म्यान आमकां बुजवून दिता सगळ्या कश्टांनी मनशांक पिडेवंतांक आनी कसलेय तरेन पिडेवंतांक आदार दितात तांकां आनी तांची सेवा करतात तांकां खेरीत मोगान आनी आशिर्वादान सांबाळटा हे बरी क्रिस्ताच्या कश्टांनी कितें उणें आसा ताची भक्ती आपली कुडी म्हणजे पवित्र सोबे खातीर पिडेवंतां आपले काकुती आपले कडेन सोदून करतात त्या भायर ती आमकां क्रिस्तूच काकूळ करता कित्याक जे आमी पिडेवंतांक करता ते आमी क्रिस्ताकूच करता म्हणून ताणें आमकां शिकयलां अशें ह्या घरांत पिडेवंतांची निगा घेतात त्या सगळ्या पिडेवंतांची सेवा चाकरी करून उदार मोल आपणाचीच भेट करतात तांचेर आनी शेकी पिडेवंतांक बरी करूंक तयार केल्ल्या त्या घराचेर देवाचो आशिर्वाद मागुया स्वर्गस्थ तुमचे सगळे आसूं माथे वा परमणी जेजू क्रिस्ताची शुभ वर्तमान
महिमा तुका
जेजू आख्या गॅलेरिया भोंवतणी वचून ताच्या देवस्थानांनी शिकयतालो स्वर्गा राज्याचे शुभ वर्तमान करतालो आनी लोकां मदीं सगळ्या जिन्सांचो पिडारूप बरो करतालो ताचें नांव आख्खे स्त्रियेक गाजलें आनी सोमेस्त बायटाकारांक सबार जिन्सांचो रोग आनी कुडीची पिडा आसलेल्यांक देंवचार बसुल्ल्यांक मुल्लूक जालोल्यांक आनी आरेन पडलेल्यांक ताचे सोशे हाडटाली आनी तो तांकां बरी करतालो. गालिलिया, डेकापोलीस, जेरुसलेम, जुडेया आनी जॉर्दाना पेडे तोडी थांवन येवन लोकांचो व्हड उरपोवची ताचे फाटल्यान बेताल्यो. जेजू क्रिस्ताची बरी खबर ही तुरेका मागण्या फाटल्यान आमचो जबाब जातलो. सर्वेस्परा, तुजेर विस्वास ठेवतात तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद कर. पिड्यावतांक बरी करूंक आनी दुखां वयल्यान उजवून दिवंक क्रिस्त स्वामी ह्या संवसारांत आयलो. ताका आमी खालकेपणी उलो मारतना पिड्यावतांक बरी करूंक आनी दुखेस्तांक उजवून दिवंक तूं आयलोय. पिड्यावतांक बरी करूंक बांदलेल्या आनी सेवेक घाल्ल्या ह्या कोमुनिटाच्या घरांत भितर स्वरान तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल म्हूण आमी मागता. साबाव, सर्वेस्परा, तुजेर विस्वास दवरतात तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल. देवाच्या राज्याचेर शुभवर्तमान पुरगोडटाना पोलचेची सगळी पिडा तो बरी करतालो. सगल्यांक तुजी काकूट आनी बरेपण दाखय. साबाव,
सर्वेस्परा, तुजेर विस्वास दवरतात तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल.
तूं पिडेवंतांक हात लायतालोय आनी ती बरी जाताली. हांगा भितर सरतल्यांक आनी भितर सरचीं आसात त्या सगल्या पिडेवंतांक तुजे कृपेन फीर कर म्हूण आमी मागता. साबाव,
सर्वेस्परा, तुजेर विस्वास दवरतात तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल.
पिडेवंतांक बरी करूंक तुवें दोन दुतांक हुकूम घालोय. पिडेवंतांची खोस लोक करूंक पवित्र सभेची मागणी आयकून घे. साबाव,
सर्वेस्परा, तुजेर विस्वास दवरतात तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल.
तुज्या नांवान पिडेवंतांक भेट करतात आनी तांची खोस उणें करतात. तांकां दैवीक मुजरी दितलोय म्हूण तुवेंच भासायलां. पिडेवंत भाव भयणी सदांच तुका पळोवन तांचो मोग करूंक आमचे सगळे काकुटीचो हुस्को वाडय. साबाव,
सर्वेस्परा, तुजेर विस्वास दवरतात तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल.
सगळ्या बरे मनाच्या भावा भगिनी उदारपणान हे गांवचे गांवकारी ह्या कमिराच्या वांगड्यांनी जबाबदारी आसलेल्यांनी आनी आमचे मदीं आमचे भावूय आसात राजकारभारी भाव 40 आमच्या सगळ्या बरेपणा खातीर तुका देव वाचता आनी तांचे वरवीं ते आमच्या गांवांत बरेपण केलें तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद मागता. साबाव,
सर्वेस्परा, तुजेर विस्वास दवरतात तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल.
प्रार्थना. सर्वेस्परा आमच्या बापा, पवित्र आत्म्याच्या सहकारान तुज्या पुतान आमची पिडा रोग बरी केली, आमच्यो दुखी करती दूख केल्यो आनी सिसांक शुभ वर्तमान परगटूंक धाडले तेन्ना पिडेवंतांक भेट करूंक आनी तांकां बरी करूंक तांकां हुकूम घालो. हांगा येतो वेतोली सेवा दितली तितल्याय पिडेवंतांक वयसाचो आनी तांच्या आदाराचो सांगात मेळ्ळो. सदांच तांचो बरो परामोस जावं आनी हांगाची भास सकतली तेन्ना मनाची आनी कुडीची शांती आनी भलायकी मेळूं. निरंतरी तुजी काकूट ती वाकाणूक पावूं. क्रिस्ता आमच्या सोमया वरवीं आनी सोद पदवेदार देव तुमचे सगळ्यांचो आनी तोच एक देव ह्या आसऱ्याचेर तशेंच भाव सुरू जावन फुडें वतल्यांचेर बऱ्या मनाच्या भावनीचेर आपलो भरपूर आशिर्वाद घालूं. महिमा बापाक आनी पुताक आनी पवित्र आत्म्याक आदी आतां आनी सदांच.
Thank you, Father, so much.
Thank you, Father.
Welcome. Okay. Your good name, please?
Roshan Advait.
And he is Dr. Khalil.
Dr.
He is a professional orthopedic from psychiatrist. But he is also a GP, MBBS. So basically he works with us on the streets.
Okay.
And in our homes now he has got the level down fast. In last 4 months we are having a lot of revenue. Nobody is now disturbing us.
Okay.
So we said since we have the opportunity to do something, there is the place, the doctor is willing. So at the moment Mario said he will handle it for the initial stage.
Okay.
So it will be twice a week. So basically alcoholic, anybody in drug abuse.
All together.
Yeah. Everything can be looked into the matter.
Right.
Yeah? It was nice of you to come.
Bangalore.
Bangalore. I was there.
Vegas water.
Thank you. Good mind, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good.
Father, 2 minutes.
Father, thank you.
All the 3 days. Two slims are reporting I was inspired by you. I've got my
What actually we are trying to say, profession and direct IP rating.
He was in IPAP.
Thank you very much. Just your baptism.
advisory has said 6 to 8 weeks till better.
We use a different system.
फुटबॉल
Yes, I am with that. I am not saying anything
do
because
something
this is
for
not
our
a listing,
youth,
but
no?
we have given him absolute go ahead for the football ground, place, everything. He's also done his part in it, in getting the place, and the place is given. Now when they started, it's up to them. Good.
Yes, I am from my pocket. I've paid. What about the health center? Health center, I have paid from my pocket. All the health center is trying so much.
Future health center.
Meeting approved it.
आपके health center
Already
में
started.
क्या नाम?
And now
Painting Monday I'm starting.
When?
sent a letter that this came from Punjab.
This is on the process.
Okay.
I spoke to you last time. Query was there.
Now the government has to give him funds. something. I told him, let's start first.
No, what happens actually, I am not in favor
Why not? Government
exactly
must hold up.
because
From field owners, we have obtained the NOC. From Komundar, we have obtained the NOC. It was given to the government. Government election before the meeting approved amount also they approved some 5 point some crores in approved. First it was 3 crores. Then it is enhanced to 5 crores. And the formalities are going on. It was sent to sports department. Sports department said we need a gift deed. Gift deed from Komundar. No, put either sports department then we have for children to play we have to take the permission. That is the condition, one of the conditions.
Of the sports department.
For sports department. So we have changed to Panchayat. After Panchayat it is so we are following it up.
No, but whatever is required, let's make an all-party delegation. If there is a political problem, we'll take all representation from everywhere and go and meet
You
them.
rightly said it. There is more of a political problem.
Yeah, I think so. I think so. Otherwise, we should have been done. We'll go and
There
meet
are
together.
number of projects all held up because of political problem.
positive same thing was happening to the Samalda ground. And ultimately who did it? You know that I did it personally myself.
No, it was tempos. And all
Tempos?
Tempos, yes. Tempo, Salgaonkar or tempo somebody.
Are we did the ground first. They only rented it later on. From that,
No,
ground belongs to some. Dr. Vili after with the
Erase
rented.
the amount for tempo.
Nothing. All amount I paid. Which I can say this on a public platform and Milkard knows it.
Milkard is saying
No, Milkard, no. Milkard, what he did, Milkard and all, when the crime acquisition was done properly, Milkard and all, so let's not forget, Milkard, Alex and all that, they raised some money and that time I was not in the picture, and they paid the tenants who were getting that paltry amount, they paid them some money. And
that part here I have done from my pocket.
that they
That
did.
part I have done.
And after that, when the land was ready, that time I stepped in and I did the whole thing for them.
Now even
Right
this,
from
this can be done. See, there are people
Yeah.
like MDR, who are ready to fill in the land. But from the village itself, people are saying that without permission to start filling the land, we will object to it.
Which village is saying?
There are many villages of
Let them say, the land belongs to us. You just give me the boundaries and you see whether I fill it or not.
only thing what you
I've
do,
got contacts
before
who will
filling it
cut
up,
the hill and put it in.
filling up, we can start tomorrow.
before filling up,
Before the country.
before filling up, you have to build the gutters around. Otherwise, you don't
What they are saying is, that is why I wanted to follow the legal path. What they are saying is, when you fill a land, you have to get approval from the TCP for the filling of the land. So for
70 minutes.
70 minutes. So if that is not done, then
So go ahead and get that permission. Land is still with you also.
that is where the problem is.
पॉलिटिक्स पहिला का प्लीज
No.
कोणाचे पॉलिटिक्स
अरे you do one
just the people
like what
youth
architecture
need
done the Pomera
a
to
ground
TCP. TCP with CTP ಗೊತ್ತೇ
How you?
Being kept safe. He is keeping it with him to keep it safe.
They have to make till today.
Yeah, somebody is trying to take it away.
So what is your answer? If they are making an account, they will get that.
How many things? We have direct contact with the state.
I did it last minute.
There is a problem. I am telling you now. No one can handle it. He tracks the public of the business. Seriously, but credit
But not
go wherever it is deserved.
stop them to make an account.
Ground na good job.
I can say it already. But itself cannot be an applicant when they are not the owner of the land. That is no, he just come. Other departments are not accepting permission under any act. Other departments are only writing letters to do some work for them. So based on the NOC, PWD does work.
positive and finished. You can see the 90-year-old. Firewood.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Ramesh, come sit. Okay, you always go in. You don't need to take anything. You only visit him and come. It's okay. No, he's just going to see something. Paulu, right? He's going to see Paulu. Yeah, yeah.
Mario, ini help kau ramkan. Ground jauh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Dr. Khalil. Dr. Khalil.
You should not come up like everything will be spoiled. The whole ambience will be spoiled. And you should not come up about this. You should not come about this.
Thank you, Father.
Museum of China. Okay, so thank you so much. Yeah, yeah. They are just going to see the doctor, going to see one patient. Okay, thank you. Just come and sit. Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming.
I'll finish. I'll take.
Okay. So, get what?
Yeah.
So basically, what is the clinic about?
Yeah.
See, it's only focused on alcoholic.
Actually, I was always we have too many of them. Actually, we lost one. He was the employee of department, and then.
So it's going to focus on primary alcoholic drug abuse, but not that major drug. Psychiatric, people with ortho, and last G. So we feel that the doctor is already in the IPHP. He's already in IPHP. He's coming free here with the volunteer. Right? If the doctor can at least examine the people who are alcohol, that will be able for him to at least prescribe something to bring it down. If they require to go to IPHP, then they will know the doctor there. It will be easier to. But there is no person dealing exclusively with alcohol. So we will operate here twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday, on appointment basis. So if you feel okay, these people are alcoholic, because you will know the grassroots.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And the main thing is that they have to take the medication. If they are not taking the medication,
They should allow themselves to cooperate and then get rid of it. Otherwise, we cannot do it.
so either you bring the family member with the patient, or the patient has to be brought, or we have to find some solution how to take care of the alcohol.
So this will be the clinic.
This will be the clinic.
I'll just take a video of half minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I'll do it. Okay.
So you also can spread the word.
I'll directly
We are going
upload.
to the postal office.
Okay.
So this is one. We are going to go to each village. Okay.
So which are the days?
Your Wednesday Sunday.
Wednesday, Sunday.
Wednesday evening 6:30 to 8.
I can say it's a very medical facility. The medical facility will be provided for an hour.
Thursday 6 to 8 and Sunday 9 to 10. But he will extend it.
Okay.
See, it is going to work on appointment.
So it will be run by
Steve Providence, but through Mario. See, he cannot come here, the people are. So basically what they are going to do is,
Mario.
so you need to identify who are the alcoholic people you can take the benefit.
So-
Baba, your first, we are sharing the idea what we have in mind
So
for the people.
mostly it will be alcoholic,
Alcoholic, drug abuse,
psychiatry,
drug abuse, and those who have ortho. So he is an orthoped, he is a surgeon by profession. Not he is not but he is rolled himself into psychiatry because he was having some issue with eye also. So he cured himself by studying the psychiatry. So when you see people roaming around, very, very difficult. Nobody will take to IPHB around.
Mashima, we are also aging slowly. First we were doing the show off, now we are doing the survival technique.
So we want to move him into the different villages now. So at least people can get basic treatment for these four. GP is doing. Nothing wrong with GP, but there are plenty of GP. General practitioners there are plenty.
We'll see how much response he's having. Otherwise, that is very okay. Not big infrastructure, and small like this. Giri Samalda, we have fun. Whatever that, a lot of things happen there together. I will organize that. But how can I let us look at the offtake of this. How much response is there? Non-political. That's no politics. Non-political. And let us see. 3 months. Let's say I am also two organizations. And let us see how this develops in 3 months. There is really good demand in it.
That's why what we are doing.
Tulip Baba volunteers there. And we be the volunteers. Many times we think very bad about certain person who is abusing his wife, abusing his kids. Basically, he is a good person. But then he needs some advice and counseling. And he take our advice won't be enough. We need some professional advice.
No, and that professional advice is totally, as you said rightly, it goes, it's like, it's not a bazaar.
No, not definitely.
Some serious thinking goes in.
So what is one thing?
And sometimes some medication.
आज त्या टाइमाला जॉईंट फॅमिलीज भाव बी आता जाल्यार दुसरो भाव बी जालो चलो बी आता जाल्यार तो सांगतो बी जालो समजायता आता कितें जाता यू एवरीथिंग ऑल्सो
So why you got Ramesh and Mario? Because they know the people.
Yeah, definitely.
1% cannot.
No, let this spread. And what I am saying, we can look at Nagwa, we can look at Samalda, we can look at Giri, and maybe look at Kulen initially. To see
But you want the local people.
No. I absolutely. Ramesh is the right person. So is Mario. If we try to increase the workload here, slowly we will get मागीर आनी समाजागिरी उगडल्यामुळे ते लोक चिजर होते एक मागीर एवढी नुकड्या नागवा हाडपा एक मागीर एवढी नुकड्या
I personally feel this will be very successful.
it will be but we have to cultivate.
Come sit. Come.
I understand that I just went to visit a COVID positive patient. And took some steps.
No problem.
How is that? Huh?
आमचं नाम घेणार
नाही. People are scared. Patient घेतात ते आपल्या जॉबवर ते घेऊन असं जॉब घेऊन.
So we tell you what's the idea. The idea is to focus on alcoholic, drug abuse, psychiatry, ortho, and last general practice. The doctor just want to see one patient. Since he was here, he would have after work on that approach. Very good. Paulo there. Oh, he was in Matthew.
Okay.
We are working on him last year, we failed. So now we got doctor, now you go and visit him. So
You know, Donald, this of course we are psychiatry, there are specialists. But generally when I told लोकांमध्ये especially the elderly are 70 plus असते घरा असतात प्रेशर काय तुझे उपचार करणे पण suddenly they fall sick and nowadays doctors don't go home with
So this will happen only in September. See, whatever he is working now, he has a job, so he cannot charge now. His contract gets over in August. Same. His Khalil. His contract gets over in August. After that he has to survive.
His contract with the government.
Yeah. They will not renew because he's 50 plus. And he doesn't want to renew.
Let him slowly do it.
That will only start from September because if he feels okay, God has spread, he's doing a good job, he's getting the satisfaction, but he will work with us in our homes and our streets. That we will not leave him. But we have a special time for it. And then there is his issue very good. So since you are already doing a job with us, we said we try in the villages. There will be people who are alcoholic. There will be people who are into minor drugs where we will be able to at least administer something. There will be people who are having psychiatric issues. Saligam will be 5-7 of them. Saligam village here. So how is the worst region? We don't know anybody else at the moment. Pastor was there, but he is inside, he is better with the medication.
There are many here, but most of them they feel, mostly they have, but cannot take a problem. You will change the 90% of them they are.
Wants to admit the illness.
So that is his job now. That is his job to bring them to the clinic.
We can speak to the wife, we can speak to the son, we can speak to the people connected with them. आम्ही सांगायला को इतना problem तो solve हो गया. आम्हाला सिर्फ कपड़े में केस पड़े और करता directly करता directly.
Instead of going to the psychiatrist, they charge 1,000 rupees. They go to the hospital, go to the same for feeding an IPHP now. He's not. No, you can't touch him. He said. He said you can't touch him. Come. He said.
I have already touched him.
No, now you take it back.
I can't take back.
Don't touch my hand, you touch me. So,
Now
I went to meet somebody.
So
Touch somebody with positive.
we have to visit somewhere.
Correct. कोई डाल दो
This is
नका रे
one act.
इतने डिस्टेंस लगा
First, this is the plan of action to bring him here.
I have to vaccine.
You are the only brother from day one they follow all the rules and regulations.
It is good, Dr. Rajan.
I have taken honestly. I have visited many COVID patients.
I did also. I have also. Then I came to know you were still political. One of my cousins.
I have not had. I have kept some distance. I have visited.
I
I had no option. I actually had to carry the